it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here with a seated posture, our monkey arms today from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. Monkey arms is a great activity that we don't even have to leave our seat for, but it opens our chest, it improves our posture, and it really releases any tension that you might be carrying in your upper body. So if you're like me and you've been at your desk for a long time today, come along, join me for this super great stretch that I think will leave you feeling really, really good. All right, so in our monkey arms, if you can see the image on the screen, we're going to try to get into this posture. Now, before we even get started, don't worry if your hands can't clasp like the boy on the card. It's totally okay. Mine can't either. That's not the idea. The idea is not to clasp our hands. The idea is to get the good open chest stretch and to keep our posture really tall and keep that good, strong posture along the way. All right, so let's give it a try. Go ahead and come into your sitting mountain. Remember, feet on the floor in front of us, sitting towards the front of our chair, back straight, head reaching tall. Go ahead and lift your shoulders and roll them back. Do that one more time. Lift and roll. Very good. All right, from here, we're going to inhale our right hand all the way up towards the sky, right? Your arm should be near your ear. So inhale as you lift, and then as you bend your elbow, you're going to take your right palm and put it to your back, all right? So you're going to bend your elbow, taking your right palm to your back. Again, not worried about how far it's going, just making sure that your palm is to your back and that your elbow is bent and that it is still up against your ear. Don't let your arm fall way out. Keep it up against your ear. Remember, keeping that posture really tall and your chest proud. Now from here, you're going to bend your left elbow and bring your left forearm behind your back. You're going to position the back of your left hand. So on the left hand, it's opposite. It's the back of our left hand in the middle of your back. And you're going to try to get as close to your shoulder blades as you can. All right. Your left forearm and your finger should be pointing upward. And you're going to begin to reach your fingers towards each other. Like I said, you may be able to clasp your fingers and you may not. Either way, it doesn't matter as long as your right palm is on your back and the left back of your hand is to your back and your chest is proud and your posture is tall. We're going to breathe in and out here a couple of times as we really appreciate that deep stretch. Breathe in. And out, in and out. Good. Slowly begin to come out of that. And we're going to switch sides. So this time, inhale as you lift that left arm up, making sure your arm stays near that ear, bending your elbow, palm to your back. Good. Making sure that arm has stayed straight. Don't let it fall out. Good. Now this time our right hand is going to go back. And this time, remember, the right back of your hand is against your back. So the left palm is to your back and your right back of your hand is to your back. You might notice right away this side feels different. It does for me. I could touch my fingers on the other side and I can barely touch them on this side. And that's okay. Our bodies aren't always symmetrical and that's normal. But just do what feels comfortable for you and that you're able to stay in that strong posture with that chest open, head tall. Take a couple of inhales. When you're ready, go ahead and come out of that very slowly. You might kind of want to shake it out, ending with an inhale through your nose, then an exhale. Thanking your body for all it does for you every day. I hope you enjoyed the monkey arms. Again, this is from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.